8335 Crofton. As you can see, we're on a cul-de-sac. This wood surrounding, framing the garage. A little bit of stucco damage as well as wood up here. It's looking like it could use a repaint. Laminate floors. Let's start off to the right. So we have 2.5 inch boba blinds, a brick fireplace, laminate counters, these blinds actually look really good from what I can tell. They look new. Okay, I'm just gonna peek out. Yeah, the blinds look great from what I can tell. It's a stucco door. So I'd say repaint. A good janitorial will go a long way too. So. We have tile in this bathroom. This has a closet. These blinds are yellow though, so I think they can be cleaned. There's some paint on it. Definitely a Jenny call. So carpet, very easy, very quick to replace, especially in a small area like this. Another interesting tile job. Okay. So when I'm looking across here, I see that's not the best laminate job in the world. So we definitely need Jenny's opinion on it, on whether it can last a tenant turn or two, or if it needs to be replaced now.